This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 58. Integration takes time. Why the body doesn't hurry into aliveness. After survival ends, many people expect life to restart quickly, but biology doesn't rush. Integration is not an event, it is a process. During long-term survival, the nervous system learns speed, urgency, compression. Energy is mobilized to respond, not to settle. When threat pressure lifts, the body doesn't immediately expand. It slows first. This slowing is not regression, it is reorganization. Systems that were separated begin to reconnect. Sensation with meaning, emotion with context, energy with choice. This takes time. Integration happens below thought. The body tests. Can I stay open and remain safe? Can energy move without armor? Can I feel without preparing for impact? Until those answers are consistent, the system proceeds gently. This is why integration can feel subtle, less dramatic than survival, quieter than activation, slower than expectation. But it is deeply active. Nothing is being lost, everything is being rewired. If life feels calm but undefined, if energy is present but not pushing, if clarity arrives slowly, this is not delay, this is integration doing its work. Next episode, when meaning returns after protection. Thank you.